Hello, and welcome back to the Yak Chat channel. In today's quick tutorial, we'll show you how to send RCS messages using the Yak Chat app. To get started, open the Yak Chat app and begin a new conversation. Next, select the contact you want to message. At the top of the message toolbar, you'll see a drop-down menu. This lets you choose the type of message you'd like to send. Make sure to select RCS from the list. Now, just type your message, hit send, and you're done. When your message is delivered, the recipient will see your business information so they know exactly who's reaching out. You'll also get a read receipt once they open the message, so you're never left guessing. And that's it. Sending and receiving RCS messages with Yak Chat is that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.